In this video, I'll show you how to create a Geo Map Chart in Google Looker Studio so you can visualize your data by location in a clear and interactive way. Geo maps are useful for comparing metrics like traffic, sales, or users across regions. To begin, open your report and click Add a Chart from the top toolbar, then choose the Geo Chart option and place it on your canvas. Next, select the chart to open the Properties panel on the right. Choose the data source that contains your location data, then set a metric such as sessions, revenue, or conversions to display on the map. After that, check the dimension field and make sure it uses a valid location field like country, city, or region. If the map doesn't display correctly, update the field type in your data source to a proper geographic type so Looker Studio can recognize it. Once everything is set, the map will automatically display and color regions based on your data. Adjust size and layout for better readability. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.